Good evening, guys. It's the 8th of May. I just moved one of ducks. I had to build another house because the other one down there, they're getting a bit too small because they're getting really tall, as you can see. They started to make different noises, so I'm hoping they're not going to make them now. Typical, isn't it? Oh, they're so nervous. Yeah, so help on the sacks would be good, but only if you can tell the noises they're making now. I'm sure I had a quack. Hey, make some noises. I'm not going to make any noise. And these, well, just clean these buggers out. But I have 4 males. One, two, three, 4, and 1 female over there. You can tell the different colours, more black. The female's more black than the other 4. Look at the mess, lad. It's literally 10 minutes ago cleaned them out. But yeah, there you go. So 4 boys and 1 girl. Not the brother I really wanted, but hey ho. What you do when you hatch your own, you get males. Oh, it's very adventurous now. Good afternoon on the 9th of May. Here's an update I haven't done for a long time. My leg bar, she's laying now. There's a little green egg. Chirpy's all fine. He was a bit poorly, but he's fine. Here's my silver lace Wyandottes, the breeding trio over there. Let them out, get some grass. It's been raining for the last 3-4 days. It's a bit wet up here. God. But there's my lavender Muscovies. I got lots of duck eggs at the minute, but I don't know who's who, so I don't want to incubate them and then have a right mixture of a lavender and a magpie lavender and those 2 layers there. This is again that he's on the fence. But everyone's well. It's a bit muddy. Plenty of grass and to eat. I probably can't see it in there. My new wise feeder, sorry, hanging on in the pen for the ducks. So much better. Don't get wet inside. The brown one is currently sat on 3 duck eggs and 3 chicken eggs. So she's broody. She just comes out for a bit of a range. Yeah, but she's broody. Look at her go. show you a nest in a minute when we go and I'll put them away. I do have silver-laced wyandotte hatching eggs available. I haven't got many available at the minute, they've slowed down a minute. But plenty of them. Ducks are just washing themselves in the water. Oh, God. There you go, not a lot. Oh, there's Hank. Stay away from Chirpy. No, no. Oh, here we go. There she goes, there she is. Told you. Oh, come on. Okay, girl. You're hissing at me. Oh, exciting, broody duck. Got some water and food in here. Okay, I'm going. Okay, I'm going. Alright, it's officially happened. My Muscovy is broody. Just put some water in for her. In there for her. She's got some food. But yeah, she's spread them out and there she is. Okay. I'll leave you alone now. Right, so we have broody Muscovy. It's on loads of eggs.